Losing WeChat chat history during device cleaning is common, but backing up messages first can prevent this. Follow these easy steps to back up and restore WeChat messages on Android. Part 1. What necessitates backing up and restoring Android WeChat messages? Data loss, accidental deletion, upgrade, restore on new phone, dates, may erase data, damage, hardware issues, cleanup, deletes messages, reinstall moves history, security, protect from malware, restore locked. Part 2. Backup WeChat messages on Android. Method 1. Backup messages. Connect your Android to the computer on the same Wi-Fi. Log into WeChat on the computer and go to Settings. Tap Chat Backup and choose the Backup option. Confirm on your phone to start the backup. Method 2. Sync chat history. Open WeChat on your Android and PC. Tap the gear icon in the app to go to Settings. Select Backup and Restore and tap Backup on PC to save messages. Part 3. Restore WeChat chat history from Android. Open WeChat. Tap Me to access the menu. Go to Settings, Chat History. Choose Backup Restore Chat History and select a backup file. Tap Restore to start the process.